My name is Melanie Bacaling. I have held many titles with Boston Lyric Opera, but most recently I'm a former emerging artist and the current digital content and production associate. You may have seen me in previous seasons running around backstage or perhaps doing an Instagram takeover, but today I'm here to show you all around Boston Lyric Opera's brand new streaming platform, operabox.tv. Now, whether you're new to streaming or a longtime pro, I'll show you how to find all of BLO's digital creations all in one place. Let's go.
To begin, let me give you a tour. operabox.tv offers a variety of content. Some of it is free and some of it is available with a digital subscription or a rental fee. First up, I'll show you how to watch our free content without a digital subscription. To begin, open your preferred internet browser by double-clicking on the icon on your desktop. Here we're using Google Chrome on an Apple computer, but other browsers and devices should look similar to this. Once your browser opens, find the navigation bar at the top of the page and type in www.operabox.tv. Congratulations, you've made it to operabox.tv. This is the homepage of our site. And to start watching any of our free content, simply click the big pink Watch Now button.
And now you know how to watch a free video on operabox.tv. So now you can watch any of the free content on operabox.tv without having a digital subscription. However, becoming a subscriber gives you access to special videos not available to everyone else. Let me tell you, there's some really cool content coming up. You're gonna want to be a subscriber. You should be a subscriber. Really, like today.
If you have a digital subscription to operabox.tv already, you can log into your account by clicking the words Log in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Enter your email address and click Next. Then, enter the password you created when you set up your account. Don't remember your password or don't remember setting one? No worries. You can use this Reset Password link to set a new password for your account. When you click the Watch Now button or log into your subscriber account, you're brought to our Browse page. This page has all of the videos currently available to watch. To watch a video, simply click on it. You will then be brought to the video page, where it should start playing automatically. You can play or pause the video by clicking on the button in the lower left corner that will appear as a triangle when paused and two vertical lines when playing. You can also fast forward or rewind the video by clicking and dragging on the progress bar at the bottom of the video. Closed captioning allows text to appear on our screen to show what the video is saying so you can read along. To turn closed captioning on or off, you can click the CC icon in the right corner of the video. You can scroll down below the video to read more information about the content and the artists featured in the video. Not an operabox.tv subscriber yet? It's easy to subscribe right from the home page. Simply click on Sign Up in the upper right-hand corner. A subscription to operabox.tv costs $99 for 1 year of access. In these fields, enter the email address and password you would like to use to access your account. If you'd like to receive emails from Boston Lyric Opera, you can leave this box checked. Otherwise, uncheck the box. Next, enter your credit card information in these fields. Once you've entered the card info, click Complete Purchase. And congrats! You've just become an operabox.tv subscriber. Not ready to subscribe to operabox.tv? Much of our content will be available for rent as well. To find a video to rent, scroll to the bottom of the Browse page and look for Rental options. Click on the video you want to rent. This brings you to the video's rental page. Click on the pink Rent button to start your rental. On the checkout page, create an account by entering your email and password you'd like to use to access operabox.tv. Next, enter your credit card information and click Complete Purchase. Once your purchase is complete, click Start Watching to begin your rental.
That's about enough from me. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to our audience services team. They are available to assist you Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern at box office at blo.org or by calling 617-542-6772. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you on OperaBox.tv.